shall see. The question is, can a chaser keep up with a Jaguar? Let's find out. So we gotta be careful because he's gonna have a lot more grip than us. My brakes are gonna get hot real fast. I don't think I have ABS either.
No, I don't think you do.
That was pretty fun. The chaser kind of rips. Whoa.
I heard that little flame, hell yeah.
These cars, the factory ECU like dumps a ton of fuel once it starts getting warm, and then it just starts doing fireballs everywhere. It's sick. Yeah, I'm starting to lose brakes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna back off for a minute or two. That's what'll get you on these roads if you don't start noticing that.
Yeah.
That was fun though.
We were ripping.
Dude, this thing didn't lose any grip. Like, I'm pretty impressed with it.
Not at all. It's sick.
Time Attack Chaser coming soon. Bro, we were getting it.
We were getting it.
Dude, this thing rips
It
on these
rips.
roads. I definitely started losing brakes though. That's why I flashed you.
I saw the smoke coming off the front.
Yeah, I
Like,
was.
he's smoking his brakes.
It was so good though.
The best spot's coming up. So.
Yeah, I just figured I'd let it cool down for a little bit. This road is so cool.
It is.
I know. Like, I'm having fun and I'm in probably my least ideal car to rage in. I can definitely tell we're going up in elevation because my car just kind of keeps on getting slower and slower. You notice it less with turbo cars than NA cars, but second gear is like, give me more, give me more. How anyone could live in California and not go to the canyons once a week is beyond me. Like, having something like this within 30 minutes of my house, I would probably be out here every day. I would build a shop out here just so this was my commute. This is what I live for. This right here. Look at this.
Some stuff goes down there.
Yeah. You know what's kind of funny about this, Mike?
What?
The most capable car is leading us. It usually isn't supposed to be like that, because if I follow him into a corner too hot, it's a big oof. follow you. Second. It's snowing. We're stopping, there's a little like Crystal Lake Cafe that we're gonna stop at, get some coffee or something.
It has my car on it. It's a Jag.
I wonder why you had this.
That's the
That's Austin.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, look at the
the
title.
cousin.
Nice guy.
Cousin.
Look, he's about to
You're
spin
awesome.
out. The wheels.
Bus.
There it is. Stop it.
Neutral bomb challenge. We're gonna see how far we can make it down. Oh, I touched the brakes a little too much. He's gonna put a gap on me. So now I gotta exit speed him on the next corner. Dude, it is so weird with it being so quiet. Look, his arrows going up. So peaceful, but also on the edge of your seat. This must be what it feels like to race an electric car.
Yeah.
Like, what is it called? Formula E?
Yeah.
It's like all you hear is tire squeal. It's scary because I don't have the throttle to like,
Yeah.
if I need to get on to like pull myself out of somewhere if it starts like oversteering. That was so fun.
We've been in neutral the whole time.
I believe it. I like to keep up to you, but you would like sometimes a little more exit speed, and bro, your wheel bearings, like, we would be going the same speed and you would still
It's
start
like a
gapping me.
bobsled race.
I know. It's sick.
You have to like keep all the momentum. We can line up and all start right here.
Just like all nose to nose to nose.
Like right now, we can just start.
I'm down. You want to do that?
Roll race.
Yeah, but
Yeah, neutral roll
like,
race.
You mean like tail to nose to nose to nose,
I
right?
mean, we'll just start and see how it goes.
All right.
Let go of the brake. Is that what you're saying, or
What's up?
what are you saying? A rolling race?
Yeah.
We're in neutral.
Yeah.
All right.
Wait, on the third honk, we go?
3 honks. Here we go. Ready?
Yep.
I gotta get a lead on you, dude.
Come on. I'm running you in the ditch,
You're
brother.
rolling really good.
Go.
You just run him off.
Ah! We got this, dude. Oh my god. Look how close he is behind us. Bro, he's touching us. It's gotta be the arrow, dude. It's slowing us down. This is literally edge of the seat race right here. Like, bro, we're going miles an hour coasting. Look, he's passing us! How does this roll so fast? I don't know. It's crazy because one time over braking and like, you just lose all your juice.
Yeah. I'm very impressed with this car's handling.
Right?
Very impressed.
Catching up. Oh, that screwed us. Oh, the uphill. Going in 3 wide.
It keeps wanting to lock itself.
I was gonna grab him. I was gonna pull you.
Skip. Yeah.
Oh, Luke's gonna start pushing him. It's me
He was
rolling.
gonna pass me and he had to hit the brakes. Yo, your rolls so good.
I was able to pass him. I don't know how.
You would have passed me.
That was so fun.
We can do it again at the next hill. Alright.
By far, one of my favorite days of the trip. Kind of proves how versatile the Chaser is. If you're not convinced by the end of this trip, the Chaser is the best car ever built. Thank you, Toyota, for blessing this world with the JZX100 chassis. I like you a lot. Oh no, it's over. How sad. Hey yo, what's the retail on one of those?
Anything you can afford.
Bro, I know it's like $100 on Turo.
$100.
$100.
2-liter turbo.
2.5 liter turbo. See, the problem is like, I'm gonna make so much noise.
Yeah.
He'll tree me too. He's good at this.
Not even.
Not bad. I bogged a little bit. It's a weak launch. Let's get something.
Yeah?
I don't know. Chopped him! You chopped! LA traffic, HOV lanes. This has been saving us some time. We're having a lot of fun. We're doing things that we definitely shouldn't be doing in California. Just kidding.